Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noorhanis Zaiyana and I'm from Fudgy. Today I am going to share to you guys how to make the best brownies ever. For the ingredients, I will use 200 grams of chocolate. I will use the Reals brand. 3 eggs, 200 grams of butter. I will use Buttercup brand. 1 cup of brown sugar, a half cup of flour, a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 100 grams of chocolate chunks, a pinch of salt, and vanilla powder. Okay. For the baking, I will use a 6x6 glass dish and parchment paper. And for the tools, I will use a whisk, a spatula, and a brush. Firstly, we will preheat the oven to 180 degrees. And plate. Okay, let's start with lining up the parchment paper to the glass dish. Okay, paper stick to the glass dish. We'll use a bit of butter. And put one more layer on top to make it more sticky. Okay, next we will take the chocolate and cut it into small pieces. Next, we will put the chocolate into the bowl before we melt it. Meanwhile, we boil the water to melt the chocolate and butter. Now, I am going to put this on top of the boiling water to melt the chocolate. The method is called double boiling. I'm going to stir until all the chocolate melts. The chocolate has melted. Now I am going to mix the butter into the chocolate. Keep stirring until all the butter and chocolate are mixed and melted. Using another bowl, I will mix the brown sugar and the eggs. My sister will help me to whisk the mixture. Now we pour the melted chocolate and butter into the mixture. Mix them well. Next, I will sift the flour. And the cocoa powder. Salt and vanilla powder. We stir all the ingredients until they are properly mixed. Stir. Okay, finally we will mix chocolate into the mixture. Now I will put it in. Okay. After that, continue mixing. Okay. After finish mixing, I will pour it into the glass dish. The brownies is ready to be baked for 28 minutes. It smells so good. I think it's time. I want my brownies to be moist and fudgy. That's so good. My mom taught me to put the stick into the brownies. I think it's moist. So it's perfect. It's so delicious. Let's wait until the brownies cook down before we cut and eat it. To decorate it, you can put some Milo powder on top of it. It looks great, right? Now I'm going to give this to my mama. Mama, this is special for you. Can you please taste it? So soft and moist. It tastes so good. I like it. It's so moist and fudgy. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!